This brief tutorial will go over how to create Start Here information in content using Canvas. You can add your information for getting started by going to the Pages icon to the left, going up to Add a Page, and then putting your information below. You can put your title in, so I'll just put Getting Started, and then you can put whatever information you need. So as you can see, you still have the links up above if you need to put any other types of information in. You have your HTML editor, and once you're finished with this section, you can just scroll down to the bottom and hit save. So once you have all of your getting started information and it's published, that's when you can add it to your front page if necessary for your course. Also, just to note that you will have to create your getting started page before you can customize your home page.